तो आज मैं तुमको एक ऐसे खतरनाक लूप के बारे में बताता हूँ जिसमें आज भी कई सारे लोग बहुत बुरी तरह फंसे हैं। एंड इस लूप का नाम है द लूप ऑफ ओवर थिंकिंग। दिस लूप स्टार्ट्स विद ओवर थिंकिंग एंड इट एंड्स विद ओवर थिंकिंग। और इस एक लूप की वजह से आपकी चार चीजें अफेक्ट होती है। पहली है आपकी डिसीजन मेकिंग, दूसरा है आपकी एक्शन लेने की क्षमता, तीसरा है आपकी कंसिस्टेंसी और चौथा है आपका कॉन्फिडेंस। ये लूप इन चारों चीजों को डिस्ट्रॉय कर देता है। Let me explain how. It starts with a simple thought. Should I do it today or should I do it tomorrow? It could be anything from waking up early to going to the gym. Maybe it's about posting that one reel that's been sitting in your drafts forever. You keep thinking, you keep analyzing, and because you keep thinking, you delay the decision. एक घंटा निकल जाता है, फिर आधा दिन निकल जाता है, फिर पूरा दिन निकल जाता है, and by the end of the day, you tell yourself, I will start tomorrow. Now, because you did not take an action today, you become inconsistent. And every time you become inconsistent, your confidence drops. Not because you failed, but because you broke a promise to yourself. Now, here is where the loop becomes dangerous. जब आपका confidence गिरता है, you start overthinking even more. What if I fail? What if people judge me? What if this isn't the right decision? And then you're back to where you started. Overthinking से आता है delay in decision making. Delay in decision making से आता है delay in taking action. Delay in taking action से बढ़ती है inconsistency और जब inconsistency बढ़ती है it leads to lack of confidence. And again, lack of confidence की वजह से you start overthinking again. And यहाँ पे ये पूरा vicious loop complete होता है. And trust me, I still experience this. There are days when I think कि इस reel पे इतने views क्यों नहीं आ रहे हैं? जितने clients मुझे close करने चाहिए शायद मैं उतने clients close कर नहीं रहा हूँ. What if people think why is this guy posting these videos every single day? Those thoughts still come. The difference is I've stopped making decisions based on those thoughts because I've realized this, that my job is not to control the outcome. I cannot control how many views this reel gets. I can't control who becomes a client. My job is to control one thing, that is taking an action. So I post, I show up, I keep going because action creates clarity and clarity kills overthinking. So the next time your mind tells you to think a little more, do not answer with another thought, answer with action.